Welcome to this Android channel, and this is a little project that you might want to try out. If you would like to have a Android version, either version 7, which is Nougat, or version 8, Oreo, on your PC, on a Windows PC, you can actually try something that is the Android X86 open source project, which actually will give you a possibility to run Android on a computer, a regular PC. So basically, they have available Android 7, which is released as an official Android 7 candidate. It's 7.1 actually that they have. So this is one you can download. And there's also available since the month of June the Android 8.1 Oreo that you can actually check out. So this is simply running Android on your PC. What you could do is actually put it on a USB thumb drive. A little bit like a Linux distro, you can actually boot from it and run it, and once it's over you just log out and your PCs will be back on Windows or whatever you want to use it, so it doesn't destroy anything. You can also have it installed in your PC if you wish, if you want to have a PC that runs only Android. Check it out, Android 7 and Android 8 possibilities. I will make videos about this, and I will be, of course, making videos from within the project's Android running on my PC side. And just one little word of caution, because depending on your PC, it might not always work. You know, this is a project where it is they're trying to have it working on the maximum amount of hardware. Unfortunately, it doesn't run on every types of PCs. For example, it doesn't run on my Toshiba, but it does run on my older Core 2 Toshiba. So it gives you an idea. Not all machines are supported necessarily. If you have a very, very recent PC, it might not necessarily work. Also, if you put it on a USB thumb drive, remember that if you have Secure Boot enabled, it might not boot from your USB thumb drive. You can burn the image on a DVD if you want. You'll be able to run it from there. And don't forget, you can transform any unused or older PC into an Android PC if you wish, which is kind of cool. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and I will be posting the link to this webpage for the Android project in the description below the video.